How to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Say you admire a certain celebrity. Could be a cosplay icon like Charez, Haken, and Elodia, or just a random TV show actor that you've recently discovered and liked. You want to see more of their content, so you look them up on Facebook. Voila! Their accounts show up. You click on it to find the add button to be friends and, surprise, surprise, the add friend button is unfortunately not showing up. In this video, I'll show you how to be able to add them. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Settings. On Facebook, click the menu and scroll down to Settings. Step 2. Go to Audience and Visibility. In Settings, scroll down to find it. Under Audience and Visibility, click How People Find and Contact You. Afterwards, click Who Can Send You Friend Requests. You'll see here that this is how they hide the Add Friend button from their profile. They made it private and it is set so that the button is visible only to those who are friends of their friends. Now you know. And that's it. That is how you fix the Add Friend button not showing up on Facebook. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, make sure to leave it in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching!